Welcome to Future Forward, where we explore the innovations shaping our world. Today, we're diving into a realm that sounds like science fiction, but is rapidly becoming reality: materials that learn from nature and even heal themselves. Imagine a world with less waste, products that last longer, and structures that are more resilient. This isn't just a dream, it's the promise of bio-inspired and self-healing materials. Ready to be amazed? So what are bio-inspired materials? Think of it this way. Nature has been perfecting design for billions of years. Scientists are now looking at these natural marvels, like the incredible strength of spider silk or the way a chameleon changes color, and asking, how can we do that? They're learning to mimic these structures at a tiny, nanoscale level. For example, imagine building materials inspired by wood's strength or sensors that change color to warn us of dangers. Even manufacturing is getting a green makeover, with processes like creating artificial spider silk using yeast, a far cry from traditional oil-based fibers. And 3D printing is taking cues from structures like balsa wood's honeycomb to create super strong yet lightweight parts for cars and planes, cutting down on waste. Now, let's talk about materials with superpowers. Self-healing materials. Picture this. Your phone screen gets a scratch, and instead of a costly repair, it just mends itself. Or a bridge develops a tiny crack, and the concrete fixes it from within. This is the core idea. Some materials do this intrinsically, meaning their chemical bonds can break and reform. Others have tiny capsules or networks embedded within them, releasing a healing agent when damage occurs, like a tiny internal medic. We're seeing self-healing concrete that uses bacteria to patch cracks, and electronics with coatings that can repair minor damage, making our gadgets last longer. It's all about extending lifespan and reducing replacements. What's really exciting is when these two fields combine. Imagine materials designed like nature's best work, but also with the ability to repair themselves. Just like living tissue, the applications are everywhere. In construction, it means more durable buildings and less waste. In manufacturing, lighter, stronger components. For energy, better batteries and solar cells. In healthcare, biocompatible implants. And for your car or phone, coatings that say goodbye to scratches. Of course, it's not all magic yet. Making these materials affordable and scalable for mass production is a big hurdle. Scientists are also working to ensure that the self-healing abilities don't compromise other important properties, like strength. And let's be honest, nature is incredibly complex, so perfectly mimicking it is a tough job. We also need to make sure these new materials are truly sustainable throughout their entire life cycle. But the future is undeniably bright. Researchers are pushing the boundaries, developing even smarter materials, and using tools like AI to accelerate discovery. With continued collaboration, these amazing materials will move from the lab into our daily lives, helping us build a more sustainable, efficient, and resilient world. Imagine the possibilities.